So my name is Henrik Semb. I'm interested in how organs form. Specifically, we study the social interactions between stem cells and their neighbors in real time. And this will enable us to really understand how stem cells contribute to the growth and shape of organs. With this knowledge, we will be able to engineer insulin-producing beta cells to be able to provide an improved treatment, maybe even a cure for type 1 diabetic patients.